Okay, here we have this device that we're going to be able to recover since we added a screen lock to our device and we forgot about it, and after trying so hard we've blocked our phone. What are we going to do to recover our phone? Well, for that, we're going to watch the video tutorial step by step to the end to solve this problem of unlocking this screen lock. In this video tutorial, we're not going to use the PC. We're going to use a method completely without a PC. What are we going to do? Well, we always recommend watching the video tutorial step by step to the end so you don't miss any of these details. As before, in order to recover our device, we would press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. When our phone restarted and showed the logo, we would release the volume up button and release the volume down button and hold the volume up button. Then, when our phone restarted and showed the logo, we would release the power button and hold the volume up button so we could enter recovery mode. But this is no longer working, but don't worry, because in the method we are going to do it without using the PC. We are going to use a fully updated method to be able to recover it. What are we going to do? Well, for that we are going to use what is another phone. It does not matter the brand, and we are going to use what is a USB-C cable. Since these phones already have these USB-C cables, we are going to take advantage of it. We are going to connect the phone. We are going to connect first this one, and then we are going to connect this one, and we are going to wait for it to show us charging. Let's see, it shows us charging. In some cases, if it does not show you charging, then turn the cable to show you. If not, change the tip. You pass this one to this one, and this one you pass it here like this. But the option is that it is not charging. Now what are we going to do? We are going to do the same process. Press the button, power button, volume down at the same time while touching the screen. This is to see that our phone restarts. When it restarts, we release the volume down button while holding the volume up button, and when it shows us the logo, we release the power button so we will be able to enter what is this recovery mode. Well, here it seems that our phone did not enter recovery mode. What it did was restart. So what we're going to do now is do the same process again. Press the power button, volume down button at the same time. When our phone restarts again, we release the volume down button holding the volume up button again. We will press the power button, volume down button, we release the volume down. We have the volume up, now we release the power button. So that this time we do enter recovery mode. Now what we're going to do is select the following options. So what we're going to do is go to what is here in the option where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset with the power button. We go down, we give it where it says Reset Factory Settings. Factory, ready. Now we will wait for our phone to restart. We give it the power button, here. We can disconnect what is our phone. We will disconnect it, we connect both, since the process was successful. Now what we are going to do is make our phone restart completely and then finish what is the configuration. In some cases it usually happens that sometimes we are left with the Google account with the account of security. For that we are going to explain what to do if you are left with that lock. Well, our phone has already completely restarted. What are we going to do? We are going to be able to configure it. An easy and simple way, let's see. Let's click on Next. Well, if we get what this little lock is, it gave us the option to skip. If we get this little lock, it is because it has what is the Google account, the security account. For that we are going to leave you a method in the description of the video and in the first one.